it's raining. I'm one of those weird people that likes the rain. I wanted to share with you my precious noodle. Hi, Barky. Hi, Barkley. Oh, I love you so much. So, you know I love thrift stores. Ralph Lauren. I got it for $1.50. Half price day. Purple. Why does purple make me happy? I don't know. I'd love to have a purple room. Shabby chic. Thrift store. Love this. Another shabby chic thrift store. Love this. Excuse me. I love the sound of the wheels on the pavement. This guy could not wait to get on the comfy new clean sheets. Oh, we've got somebody else coming up too. Hey, Winston. Oh, he sees a spider. You see a spider? I hope you're having a wonderful day. Thank God for our pets, huh? Take care. Bye-bye.